The typical used oil analysis sample takes 7 to 10 days, start to finish, before the results cross your desk. Many times, at-risk equipment is overlooked and becomes useless because of unnecessary downtime. Why? The length of time involved and inefficiencies of the entire oil analysis management process. Not necessarily because of poor service from a vendor or shipping company, but because oil analysis business methods do not maximize the use of current technologies to improve upon the user's experience. It can take maintenance personnel up to 6 times longer to gather, research, and compile a management report listing the possible problem areas, not to mention fax, phone, and email distribution costs just to get the message out about at-risk equipment. The costs of non-collaboration concerning the condition of our equipment and lubricants are also staggering when one considers the multiple locations of branch offices, laboratories, and accounts that are not all on the same page. The inefficiencies of paper filing systems cost industry millions by wasting otherwise precious space with overfilled filing cabinets devoted to storing reports that 90% of the time are never referred to again. Furthermore, these reports do hold real value, just not in their current and outdated format. MyLubeTrak is a web-based maintenance tool designed to eliminate the inefficiencies and shortcomings of standard oil analysis reporting. It enables your maintenance people to effectively collaborate and manage your equipment in accordance with all industry best practices by bringing all of your data into one easy-to-use interface accessible by all parties concerned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. More importantly, you can be assured that your sampling data is safe, secure, and accessible by only those people you trust to give expert second opinions and seek further guidance about your lubricant's condition, saving valuable time, all while increasing your bottom line. Here's how it works. MyLubeTrak allows users to log in with their own private ID and password, whereas each user has the ability to access their sampling and equipment data in a hierarchical fashion. Once logged in, users are able to inspect their equipment sampling history, view new reports posted, examine past due samples, and spot dangerous trends in a practical and graphical outlook. Its simplistic yet powerful design allows users to quickly manage samples and equipment in these important ways. Quickly identify all locations in your hierarchy. Look at all equipment in your profile. View a pie chart of your sample summary conditions. Run a unit condition report on all equipment at risk. Explore a regression analysis report to draw comparisons. And because LubeTrak understands the world of oil analysis and equipment maintenance, we constantly update MyLubeTrak with new enhancements based upon our users' feedback and input, all without time-consuming downloads or installs. MyLubeTrak enables your maintenance department to be more productive by empowering your organization with tools that can be used daily, weekly, or monthly. And more importantly, share this information in a collaborative environment to add value to your oil analysis proposition, whether you're an OEM, lubricant distributor, equipment dealer, testing laboratory, or end user. Users can more easily process the information contained in oil analysis reports, thereby making better informed decisions and taking the next action step required to avoid expensive catastrophes. Why? 3 reasons. 1, a paper report doesn't allow for comparative analysis between 2 or more samples. 2, emailed reports don't offer any way to track and trend spikes or multiple elements to identify problems on the spot. And 3, without a way to export and post comments to reports, users are forced to wade through and try to extract this important data manually, all without an efficient way to get this information to the people that need it most. It all adds up to saving both time and money by ensuring that targeted objectives are met, thereby reducing downtime and lowering maintenance costs for the end user. Because MyLubeTrak greatly reduces the time involved to view, analyze, and process the data from your normal reports, savings of 35% and more are not uncommon. In fact, if 16% of your reports are categorized as abnormal or critical, then realized savings jump up to 64% because of increased management efficiencies with MyLubeTrak. Every MyLubeTrak subscription includes the following: customized setup with your own hierarchy, private logon ID and password, complete account management of sub-accounts and users, toll-free website support and built-in user's guide, an extensive knowledge library, full management reporting functions including locations profile, equipment profile, sample summary, unit condition, regression analysis of sample test results, customizable area for automated management reports delivered to your inbox daily, weekly, or monthly, fully customized graphing and multi-line trending, secure online kit and supplies ordering, data downloads in many popular formats, full equipment registration and editing, sample setup screens and label printing, personalized auto email alerts and setup, faceplate welcome screen with snapshot views of recently posted reports along with quick action menu items, samples due, and order status, automatic version updates, up to 400 components tracked for each login, with additional components affordably priced, and above all, personalized customer service from people who care about you and your equipment. MyLubeTrak keeps everyone in the loop by delivering your most important information available to anyone, anytime, anywhere. It's the only web-based maintenance tool to effectively combine data from any source and display it all in one functional grid. Furthermore, its no-nonsense approach to e-maintenance improves upon and strengthens the overall value of oil analysis. Your maintenance people become empowered by information that they can instantly put to use. And because MyLubeTrak is data source independent, one can include on-site testing data to display results for all equipment and locations. Everything about MyLubeTrak is intentionally simple, yet extremely functional. There are no fancy graphics, downloads, installs, or other complicated objects to distract the user from the tasks at hand. Since any internet-connected computer can use MyLubeTrak, you're free to choose who you want to collaborate and share your data with to make the most of your maintenance initiatives and maximize your ROI. According to BP America, we have been utilizing LubeTrak for our oil analysis program for over a year now. We have found that not only do they compete in the cost structure of lube oil analysis, they are very reliable and timely. The website they utilize provides an instantaneous look at your sample upon its completion, as well as instant notification on alarms that you and they set for your equipment. I would recommend LubeTrak as a viable option to your analysis needs. In the words of Captain Chip Lee, Ship's Master for Odyssey Cruises, I wanted to drop you a note to tell you how pleased we are with the services you provide our fleet here at Premier Yachts, Inc. In the past, we have used many different oil analysis companies, and by far, you and your company have provided us with exceptional service, far greater than I could have imagined. Your web services are tremendous. It is great to be able to look up all of our results and look at histories and trends with engines. This is a very valuable service to our company that I know will help us to prevent unscheduled downtime and to prevent catastrophic failures of engines. Once we begin receiving data from your lab or on-site testing equipment, MyLubeTrak is free for the first 30 days. This gives you an opportunity to validate your decision to utilize MyLubeTrak without any risk or obligation. To get started today, or if you have specific questions and would like to receive additional information, simply submit the email response form below.